एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बैंक पाकिस्तान का इफ्तिताह अहम संग मील है। निगरान वज़ीर ख़जाना शमशाद अख्तर कहती हैं एग्जिम बैंक से बरामदात और सरमायाकारी बढ़ाने में मदद मिलेगी।
Export Import Bank of Pakistan, EXIM's operationalization is a proud moment and a major milestone for us today. It will augment the banking and trade finance landscape, as we know. As it grows and matures, it will shape Pakistan's trade finance, as I see. It will promote it principally through a proper institutional framework backed by effective policies and regulatory framework. It will, of course, need to be accompanied by streamlining export policy frameworks further, because together both will be able to contribute to balance of payments sustainability that in the past has been hurt by low levels of export earnings. EXIM, if effectively managed, along with right policy and regulatory framework, has the potential to enhance Pakistani exporters' competitiveness in international markets by offering lending, credit insurance and guarantee services.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।